Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unpin someone in a Snapchat. All right. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on your messages right here or the message icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. All right. Now, to unpin someone, just go ahead and tap and hold on the person. Then go to chat and notification settings. Tap on it. In here, you're going to want to tap on unpin conversation. All right. For example, here, I'm going to pin this person. And as you might notice that the person that is pinned will be on top of the list. All right. Well, normally if you unpin someone or you doesn't have pins right here, the recent messages that you have received will be on top. All right. And the oldest will be at the bottom. Now, if you unpin someone, let's say, for example, right here, I'm going to tap and hold on the person, tap and hold. Then again, chat and notification settings, unpin conversation, and as you can see here, he's now second in the list, and that's because this one is received 3 months ago and this one from Snapchat itself is the latest. All right, and that's basically how you unpin someone in Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.